We're super excited about our latest review. Our business is built on the satisfaction of others, so when we receive a great 5-star review, we're thrilled to share it with everyone. Now we're sharing it with you. And as much as we know how much effort we put into giving everyone a first-class experience, hearing about them firsthand pushes us to do better. It means so much to us that people take the time to tell us what a great job we're doing. We'll work just as hard to make you happy too, the best way we know how, by providing you with incredible service. We'd love the chance to give you a 5-star experience too. Thank you for taking the time to visit with us today. Contact us soon. We look forward to working with you.